Sometimes starting with a blank canvas can be a lot of fun. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Today, we are going to take something oh so simple from the Dollar Tree, just plain, blank, simple, and we are going to dress it up. So I'll give you a closer look at what it is I'm talking about, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a plain old boring note card set from the Dollar Tree. They sell these. You get 4, sometimes 6, for $1.25, and they come with the envelopes. And when you look at them, they're supposed to be blank note cards. And when you look at them, they are packaged as blank note cards. But we're going to take these and turn them into this beautiful set. So we don't always have to reinvent the wheel with a card. We're going to take some pre-mades, make a beautiful box for it, and we're going to dress the cards up just a little bit. So you can see that my envelopes are still in there. And y'all, basically what I did was I used stickers just to convey messages on here. And I'll dress today's just a little bit more so you can see what a beautiful little set we have here, complete set, for about $2.50. So I am just going to go ahead and close this to show you what we're going to be using. We are going to be using these 4 note cards from the Dollar Tree. I'll just go ahead and open them so that you can get a look at them. These actually have some gold foiling on them, which I think is really cute. So maybe you can see that gold. Hopefully you can. There's a gold band across the bottom, and then there's gold throughout. Really cute, but we can make it even better. And then I have a scrap piece that I'll be using for my background mat. And then I am going to be using stickers to dress these. So very simple. And we will have 1 sheet of double-sided 12 by 12. I printed this on the Red River 88-pound cardstock, but you can use whatever it is you like. You can even print this on the 60-pound. I just like the 88-pound for the boxes. I just like using the 88-pound for the box because I think it gives it a nice weight. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our cards, and I'll bring in the 4 cards, bring in my scrap piece, and then I'm just going to find 4 stickers that I want to work with. And we're going to put those down on the mat. So I think I'm going to take the one that says hello. We'll mat that like that. I'm going to take the one that says share joy. I'll put that right there. Let's go with congratulations. And then I'll take the one that says hooray for you. And I'm just going to put these right here. Then I'll bring in my trimmer. And I am just going to trim right there. All right, so I have my 4 little sentiments. I am simply going to take some tape, add some tape to the back of all 4, and then we're going to put these down on our cards. And y'all, that's how easy peasy it is to dress up these inexpensive cards from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to take this one that says congratulations, and I'm going to put it right there in the middle. I'll take this one that says hello. Again, we'll put it right there in the middle. You can dress these up even more than I'm doing. What I'm doing truly is pretty basic. Let's take this one that says share joy. Put it right there. And then our last one that says hooray for you. And we will put it right there. So just like that, y'all, we have 4 really sweet, dressed up, plain old cards from the Dollar Tree. You can add even more to this on the inside if you like. You can take a flower, put that flower on the inside just to really dress your card. You can even take some of the message stickers and put those on the inside as well. But I am just going to keep it very simple. And then we'll take this. And now we have our 4 cards that are cute on the outside. And we have made them just a little bit cuter on the inside. So we have our cards. We have the envelopes that go with the cards. Now let's make a box. So to make a box, I have a piece of 12 by 12. I printed this paper, but you can use any paper that you have. My paper, when I print 12 by 12s, will have a white border along the edge. I'm not concerned with that border. I'm not even going to remove it. I am going to trim this to 8 by 12. Then on the 8-inch side, I am going to score at 1. Rotate to the opposite 8-inch side and score at 1. Turn it to the 12-inch side and score at 1, at 5 1/4, at 6 1/4, 10 1/2, and 11 1/2. So that was 1, 5 1/4, 6 1/4, 10 1/2, and 11 1/2. So now I'm just going to take this and I am going to fold and burnish all of my scores. And y'all, what I'm trying to do with my channel is to really show you that we can take everyday inexpensive items and just dress them up a little bit and have something that is truly worthy of gift giving. A box of cards is a perfectly acceptable gift to give. There are plenty of people that we all probably know who might be homebound and can't get out, but would love to be able to send cards and things like that, but they're not crafty and they don't feel like making cards. Well, we can dress up some cards for them and we can mail them to them or we can deliver them to them in person. So now that we have all of our scores folded and burnished, then I'm going to use some tape just to tape this flap into place. You can glue it if you want, but let's just get that nice and stuck like that. Now we'll move to this side where we have the center flap, and let's go up to the score mark and drag straight down to free our tabs. And then we can angle in here, angle here, like that. Rotate to this side and do the same thing. So now that we have the center tabs freed, we are going to move to this end where we have this flap and this little tiny flap here. Let's go up to the second score mark and drag straight down to free this part. Then we're going to reduce this on both sides, and then we will angle both of these pieces like this. Now this really is easy peasy. And now I'm going to take my scissors and to this little end here, I'm just going to do a very slight rounding. That just makes it very easy to fold that tab in. So now I'm going to bring in my glue. We'll put some glue here and some glue here. Then the part that we folded over, we're going to take it, smush it around in the glue to get this stuck. Now, if you have a nice tear tape, you can use that. Just make sure it has good adhesion on it. I wouldn't use a snail tape runner to hold this box together, but you can use a tape, a tear tape, if it's a good quality one. such as a scrappy tape or a score tape, something like that. So now I'm going to take my glue, and I'm not going to put any glue on these flaps. I'm going to make sure that I have my glue along the edge. And then I'll take this, and I'm just going to make sure that the tops match, and that'll fold over like that. And then we can get it stuck. So I'll go in with my bone folder. We're going to get this nice and stuck. I'll burnish a little bit on the outside, and then we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to place that glue, but we're not placing any glue on the fold over flap. We simply want to place the glue on the tab. So let's take it, and you want to make sure that that top matches all the way around. Let's get it stuck. Now I can place it on its side. We can go in and work that glue. Now let's just burnish the outside. And there is our fun floral box for the fun floral cards, as well as the envelopes that go with these cards. We can take them and put them in our nice custom box. Let's fold over, tuck in, and y'all look at that. We have a beautiful box. I am going to take my stickers, and I'm going to find a sticker that I can put on the front. And I think I'm going to go with the one that says hello. But this time I do have some darker scrap, because I really want that to pop on the outside of the box. So I have placed that sticker down on my scrap paper, and I'm simply going to cut out this piece. Now I'm going to take my tape runner. My snail tape runner will work to hold this. It simply is not good for trying to hold a box together long term, but it will hold paper to paper like this. So we're going to take that, put it right there, and just like that, we have turned a plain set of blank note cards into a nice little gift set. So when we take simple things and we do this to it, it makes it so worthy of gift giving, and you're proud to give it to anyone, or you're proud to keep these cards and use them for yourself. If you want to send someone a little pick-me-up, hooray for you, and write a message here on the inside. Y'all, I think this is absolutely fabulous. I'm going to bring this one back in so that you can see we have two really fun boxes. And they started with blank note cards from the Dollar Tree. These are actually Hallmark, and you get 4 cards at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, simple, quick way that we can take something that already exists, dress it up a little bit, and have this. If you have enjoyed this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it. And I would love to have you subscribe, so hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my beautiful, crafty friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.